Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my reading. What I read today, and that is the excitement part of my today's day. I want to share with you that what I learned and what I saw the result. When I read the book, then I realized that with the fixed mindset, they never want to blame ourselves. They never want to blame himself. They only want to please. They only want to hassle others. They never want to listen others mentality. They never want to listen others view, others experience. They only stick with their mentality, with their views, with their experience all about this. That's why they never get chance to convert their company in the growth position. That is the main reason they never want. Like Lyoka, I read the Lyoka, who is the CEO of their their cars models company, Chrysler's company, like that. And they have a own faith that I have a car design, I can't be changed. This design is so cool and so fascinating. They have this mindset. And rather and in contrast, there was another Japanese company who worked hard for discovering a new design of car models, and they develop and they invention this new car design, and they captured the huge market. And 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 in other and in yoga, they didn't get idea what are doing, what is happening. They only explore on self that no, I am the best. My car model is best. It's never happening. Japanese company is doing some irresponsible work. They have no idea. That's why they give any excuses. They give a lots of excuses about the Japanese company. Rather than she had to focus on her company, on her growth, on her car models, they only focus on Japanese company. That is called the distraction. That is called the exact part. They have she should have to this she should have to read and work on their potential, their potential, all about this. She didn't get idea. But in the last Japanese companies capture the new market. They spread their car models, and Ayuka get failed, and she becomes so embarrassed about it. And and Japanese company get ahead of this yoga companies, like that. What is the yoga company? Yoga company's name are Chrysler's company. Chrysler's company, like that. And she felt she only give excuses. She only given excuses, and she never wanted to become a good version of yourself. That is the reason she get failed, and Japanese company get renowned, get famous about his own model set. That is the main reason. That is the two things in a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. You have to choose what you want to become, and that is the more essential part of our life, because we all never teach. We all never to teach. That is the growth mindset and fixed mindset. And we always teach our children that you can't do, you shouldn't do, like that. But I learned today that no, I will never say my children that you can't do. I say only my children, you can do if you want. This want is the main factor of your body. If you want, you can improve your all body. Look at, if some person are paralyzed, they can improve their mental and their, if they can improve their mentality, their brains, spinal cord, and they can give their responsibility. They can get all about this spinal cord. They can get a signal in with in our body that they can improve their own ability. That is the what you can do if you want. If you want, you can do. Nobody can stop you. This is my today's topic. I hope you like it. I hope you don't like it. I will do my daily work.